Welcome to Homework Answers. We're going through the textbook Programming, Logic, and Design, 8th edition by Joyce Farrell, and in this video we're covering Chapter 3, Exercise 2. This problem is pretty simple. All it's asking is for you to correct the different flowchart examples they have. There are errors in them, and so this is kind of what I've done to work them out and make them so they're correct. So if you kind of reference your book and check these out, this is probably how it's going to end up being. Make sure you really just check it over, because nobody's perfect, and there might be some flaws in this, but I feel like it's kind of spot on. I know, well, I'm using Lucidchart, and they're really great, but you might have a few difficulties with these lines. Like I would prefer for this one to come down further, and it just starts to go all whack sometimes. Another good program is Glyphy. So you see how like this isn't quite coming down as far as it should be. I just like it to be nice and neat, but this is up a little too high here. But this is, I believe, example A. This one is B. This one is C, D, and then E down here. So just kind of go to your book and see if this makes sense. Double check it. Make some changes if I have missed anything or I'm not lining things up appropriately. But it's a good place to start. So, and also they have different numbers. Like the book has, I think they're using like letters, all letters. I'm using numbers too. So you'll also notice that some of these are duplicated, and that's because the arrows were going to places they shouldn't be, and then it ends up that both paths lead to one of these. So I've separated them. Just going through the book, it seems like they don't like something like that. It's bad to do that. So you're supposed to separate them. You see, like here we've got 2 and 2. So that's understood. Like 3 and 3, those are the same module being reused. So, yep, just kind of pause the video if you have to and look it over, and if you need to make any changes, make those changes, but there's a good start for you. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.